Here we are at 1039 Midway in Ammon, Idaho. This home sits on the corner. Does have some landscaping done in the yard here. Two-car garage. Sits on a cul-de-sac, which is nice. Paved driveway that leads up to the double-car garage. Small sidewalk that wraps around. And the front door is just a few steps up. As we enter the home, you'll notice there is a laminate landing strip there. Gives you a place to take your shoes off. Vaulted ceilings. Nice arched entry there into the hall. Nice big window that faces the front yard. Lets in a lot of outside light. There's just a small hallway here with our first two bedrooms. First bedroom here. And there's a full bath in the hallway here as well. Big mirror over the sink. Drawers there right next to the sink. Full tub and surround. Third bedroom is here. This window faces the backyard. Let it come into focus there. And you do have a little closet here in the hallway with some built-in shelving, which is nice. As we head back out, this will give you another view of the living room here. And then straight ahead, we enter the kitchen and dining area. It's one big room. So you have a dining area here. And kitchen here. Has a nice open feel to it. This sliding glass door will take you into the backyard. It is fully fenced. And off this corner is the washer and dryer hookups. It does have its own room there, and then just beyond that, that door takes you into the garage. And on this side of the dining room is the master bedroom. That window faces the backyard. You do have a ceiling fan here. Nice good sized room. With a walk-in closet here and built-in shelving. And then just next to it is the walk-in bathroom, or the master bath. You do have a lot of cupboard area there for towels and things, and then a shower there as well next to the toilet. And that concludes our tour. Thank you for watching. This is Home River Group. If you have any questions or would like to see the home, give us a call or visit our website at homeriveridaho falls.com. Thanks.